actions niya na product ng kanyang choice. Anong tawag doon? When can we say that a person is accountable? Remember, we have 3 bases of moral accountability. What is our strategy? Isa pa. Ano ibig sabihin ng W? A. And F. Also yesterday, guys, pinag-aralan natin ang 3 branches of ethics. To memorize our strategy is... Isa pa, people! Anong ibig sabihin ng letter M? Letter N. Letter E. Among the 3 branches, people, sino ang nag-aaral sa Foundation of Morality? Good. At meron tayong 2 meta-ethical views. Ano-ano ang 2 meta-ethical views? Go! Sino sa 2 ang nagsasabing there are no moral facts? Sinong nagsasabing may mga moral facts? Under moral realism, 2. MA and MR. Anong ibig sabihin ng MA? How about MR? Kapag sinabi natin moral absolutism, ilang standard meron dito? Correct. Pero kapag moral relativism, bakit more than 1? Kasi kino-consider na ang kaya pala one good example of moral relativism is correct. And para hindi mawala sa utak isa ang cultural relativism, sinong artista ang tatandaan? Anong ibig sabihin ng letter D? It's descriptive. The perspective comes from the outside. Anong ibig sabihin ng letter N? It's normative. The perspective comes from the inside. Good. Sino itong anak ni moral anti-realism na nagsasabing may mga right or wrong pa rin, but it's not the people's actions. It's the people's attitudes. Answer. Louder. Bigyan natin yung 2 branches na natitira. Sinong branch ang nag-deal sa norms, set of considerations? If in case wala sa options ang normative ethics. Ano ang other term ng normative ethics?
Prescriptive ethics.
Correct. And under normative ethics, there are 2 types of standards. Ano ang 2 standards? Go!
Moral standards and non-moral standards.
Sino ang unrelated to ethical considerations?
Non-moral standards.
Related to ethical considerations.
Moral standards.
Now, if hindi tayo mag-comply sa mga moral standards, it causes sense of
Guilt.
correct. If hindi tayo mag-comply sa non-moral standards, it causes ibigay ako ng mga standard, ha? Sabihin sa akin kung moral or non-moral. The males should be the ones to propose.
Non-moral.
Do not kill.
Moral.
Do not cheat.
Moral.
Do not lie.
Moral.
No talking while your mouth is full.
Non-moral.
Under moral standards, may 2 standards tayo. C at NC. Anong ibig sabihin ng C?
Consequence standards.
Correct. Sino naman si NC?
Non-consequence standards.
Pero may other term sila. Ano ang other term ng non-consequence? Go! Isa pa! Good. So ano yung other term ng consequence standards? Very good. Sabi ng teleological or consequence standards, ang basis daw ng rightness or wrongness ay nakadepende sa letter R. Oh, letter R. Letter O. Oh, letter O. Or letter C. Consequence mismo. Pero ang sabi naman ng non-consequence or deontological, ang basis ng rightness or wrongness, 4. SNVS. or sino ba siya? Top notchers, ano ganyan ibig sabihin ng letter S?
Sense of duty.
Yung letter N?
Natural law.
Yung letter V?
Virtue.
And yung letter S? Correct. Sige na, best start tayo kay natural law. Everybody say natural law.
Natural law.
Sino ang proponent ng natural law?
Saint Thomas Aquinas.
Correct. At bakit natural at likas sa atin na alam natin ang mabuti at hindi? Because the laws of God are written in the
Hearts of men.
correct. Ano ganun yung utos ng natural law? We have to
Avoid evil.
very good. Everyone proceed tayo kay virtue ethics. Everybody say virtue.
Virtue.
Sino ang proponent ng virtue ethics?
Aristotle.
At ang gusto niya, i-develop natin ang ating good character or virtues. At may term akong binigay kahapon. Ang ibig sabihin in English, a life of striving. Ano ang term na ito?
Eudaimonia.
Kapag na-achieve natin ang something na pinaghirapan natin, we will attain the highest virtue, and that is
Happiness.
correct. Ang sabi naman ng situation ethics, ang basis daw ng rightness or wrongness ay ang situation mismo or correct. At ang nurtures, isang branch na lang ang natitira. Sino dyan ang attempt to apply ethical framework sa mga real-life moral issues.
Applied ethics.
Correct. At mayroon tayong 4 na domains ng applied ethics. To memorize the 4 domains, our strategy is again. Anong ibig sabihin ng letter B?
Business ethics.
No need to say ethics, it's okay. How about letter C?
Clinical.
Letter O.
Organization.
And letter S.
Social.
Correct. At kahapon guys, tinalakay din natin ang difference ng moral dilemma at false dilemma. Kapag sinabing moral dilemma, it is a battle between.
Right versus right.
Pero kapag false dilemma,
Right versus wrong.
kahapon pinag-aralan din natin ang 3 levels of moral dilemma. iPhone users, ano ganun yung 3 letters natin? Go! Now, anong ibig sabihin ng letter I?
Individual.
Letter O.
Organizational.
And letter S. Top notchers. Anong dilemma ito if ang involved ay personal interest in the organization's well-being? Answer. Pero what if personal dilemma lamang? Pero what if ang affected ay different sectors and institutions? Now, meron tayong 6 na halimbawa ng structural dilemma. Top notchers, kantayin daw natin guys ang ating strategy in 3, 2, 1, go!
D-I-G-O, D-I-G-O, LCLC, LCLC, XRDAEI, XRDAEI, CDDM, CDDM.
Anong ibig sabihin ng DI? G-O,
Gap versus overlap.
LC,
Lack of clarity versus lack of creativity.
FSR,
Flexibility versus strict adherence to rules.
EAEI,
Excessive autonomy versus excessive interdependence.
CDDM.
Centralized versus decentralized decision making.
Start tayo people kay differentiation versus integration question. Bakit ang mga schools and local governments ay differentiated? Because of
Decentralization.
correct. Gap or overlap? Sino ang redundant and unnecessary procedures?
Overlap.
Pero what if something important is undone?
Gaps.
Again?
Gaps.
LC daw tayo. Anong nangyayari guys kapag employees rigidly follow job descriptions? And so, yung product at service nila nagsasuffer na. So there is lack of
Creativity.
what if employees are unclear as to what they are supposed to do? So they tailor their rules around personal preferences. Lack of
Clarity.
people, okay ba na mag-stick strictly to rules na hindi na tayo maka-help? Pero okay lang ba mag-bend minsan? Ano ang tawag doon?
Flexibility.
Correct. Okay ba people yung excessive autonomy, yung too isolated tayo? No. Okay ba na tightly linked tayo with other people? Hindi din pwede mga bata, so kailangan balance lamang. Ngayon, ano ganyan yung tawag sa decision making kapag yung power guys, nanggagaling talaga sa kataas-taasang level. Pero bakit binigyan ng power yung nasa baba? Question, may advantage ba kapag yung power guys binigay sa baba? Yes, because the solutions are rapid and effective. Nandiyan sa handle ninyo. Ano yung dalawa? The solutions are
Rapid and effective.
kaya lang, ang problem is top managers may lose. Para ba tayo, guys? Alright, FDRC Merco Evening Section. Pop sa bang!
Yes na yes.
Pop sa bang!
Yes na yes.
100% passing rate ba?
Yes na yes.
Handa na ba for our day 2?
Yes na yes.
So, I welcome you